Rev your engines and buckle up, racing fans. On May 19th, we come together to celebrate NASCAR Day, a day dedicated to the high-speed, adrenaline-pumping world of stock car racing. Join us as we take a thrilling ride through the history of NASCAR, the legendary drivers, and the exhilarating tales that make this sport so captivating. NASCAR, or the National Association for Stock Car Auto Racing, was founded in 1948 by Bill France Sr., a racing enthusiast who saw the need for a unified organization to govern the sport. With its headquarters in Daytona Beach, Florida, NASCAR quickly became the premier stock car racing organization in the United States. Today, NASCAR is an international phenomenon, with races taking place across the globe and millions of fans turning in to cheer their favorite drivers. The heart and soul of NASCAR are its drivers, who have left an incredible mark on the sport with their fearless spirit and incredible skill. Legends like Richard Petty, known as The King, who holds a record of 200 career wins, and Dale Earnhardt Sr., a 7-time NASCAR Cup Series champion, have become household names. Modern racing, like Jimmy Johnson, who has also secured 7 championships, and Kyle Busch, one of the most versatile drivers in the sport, continue to captivate fans with their on-track prowess. NASCAR's history is filled with exhilarating tales and unforgettable moments. One such story is the iconic photo finish of the 1959 Daytona 500, where Lee Petty, Richard Petty's father, edged out Johnny Beauchamp with a mere 2 feet after 500 miles of intense racing. Another unforgettable moment was the 1979 Daytona 500, the first NASCAR race to be televised live from start to finish. A last lap crash between leaders Donnie Allison and Cale Yarborough led to an infamous fistfight in the infield, bringing national attention to the sport. How can you celebrate NASCAR Day? Tune into a race and cheer on your favorite driver. Or host a NASCAR-themed party with friends and family, complete with racing decorations and snacks. You can visit your local racetrack to experience the excitement of stock car racing firsthand. Or you can try your hand at racing simulators to get a taste of life behind the wheel. If you're feeling charitable, consider supporting the NASCAR Foundation, which focuses on improving the lives of children through various programs and initiatives. Don't forget to share your NASCAR Day celebrations on social media using the hashtag NASCARDay. As we celebrate NASCAR Day on May 19th, let's appreciate the thrilling world of stock car racing and the fearless drivers who put it all on the line. From its humble beginnings to its present-day status as an international sporting phenomenon, NASCAR has captivated fans with its high-speed action and unforgettable stories. Happy NASCAR Day!